eTop Electronics specializes in providing one-stop, customized wiring harness and cable assembly solutions, ensuring every connection is precise and efficient. Since its founding in 2011, eTop has been serving industries like automotive, industrial, medical and home appliances, offering end-to-end services from design to production, tailoring every detail to meet client needs. With over 30,000 square meters of modern production facilities, advanced equipment, and a dedicated technical team, eTop provides flexible and rapid customization, solving every connectivity challenge with efficiency and precision. By choosing eTop, you not only gain powerful production capabilities, but also a trusted partner who offers comprehensive, one-stop solutions from concept to delivery. Visit our website to learn more: www.etopwh.com.